Well, hello and welcome back to my channel, Make Life Simple with Sandy. All right, y'all, I had my, I just done my FabFitFun, and I have got my Boxy Charm here. It came in, I've had it probably about 4 or 5 days. And the Boxy Charm, I do, this is a monthly box. I think it's $24.95, I believe. And you get some really good stuff, some really nice eyeshadow palettes and stuff like that. But this month, now this month we got 5 items. But let me show you this, y'all. It is a, look at here. It is a mini flat iron for your hair, and it comes in, let me show you, it comes in this little Velcro pouch. There's the cord. Won't you look at that? Is that not the coolest thing? Little on and off button is right in there. So, but that would be really handy. I don't know, I may end up putting it in a giveaway because I really don't, my hair is so flat anyhow, I may not use it. This would be really good for somebody who had like frizzy hair and needed to carry, you know, carry something in their purse or their bag or something and needed to get the frizz out. But isn't that neat? I thought I haven't never gotten anything like this in my Boxy Charm. I also got some Tarte lipstick. Let me see what it is. I took my glasses off, y'all, because I got a glare on a little ring, my little ring light here. Flaming Hot is the color. Can you see? So, but I like that. Matter of fact, that's what I'm wearing. I went ahead and put some on, so. And let's see, we got let me put my glasses back on, y'all. This is a Barely There lip pencil by Bodyography. And I think I've gotten one of them before, if I'm not mistaken. And I got a Wonderlust palette. So I've got a little ring light up here that's on my holder, and it's putting a really bad glare on my glasses. But this is a Wonder Beauty Wonderlust Dusk to Dawn. It is a highlighter and blush palette. So there's the front of it, and then but I thought that was neat. I'm sorry, I said Wonderlust. It's Wonderess is the name of it. It's Wonder Beauty Wonderess. Right there. Wonderess, okay. But that's a pretty neat little thing. And then we also got these are the Marajo. Can you see? It looks like little, well, can you see? Like little capsules with maybe a eye, I think it's an eye cream, y'all. Nope, wait, it's anti-frizz soothing serum for hair care. So I guess you kind of just cut the ends off of it, and it's a hair serum for the frizzies. So, but yep, that's it. And that's all my Boxy Charm. Here's the little card. It says 'tis the season. And we got a glitter lip paint, a lip liner, the anti-frizz smoothing serum capsules, the Dusk Till Dawn blush and highlight palette, and then the mini hair straightener. So, and it comes with the card, kind of shows and tells about everything you got. So, but y'all, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're ready for Christmas. I'm still working on my tree behind me here. I've been putting stuff out kind of slowly but surely, and I'll have it ready by the time Christmas rolls around. So you know how that goes. But all right, well, listen, well, thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day, and God bless.